Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. With all the fire bans that are occurring nowadays, we decided to get ourselves a backcountry stove or a camp stove. We decided on this one, and it's pretty good. It's about 8,600 BTUs. Says it takes about 3 minutes to boil. Works off a 230 gram canister, which they say lasts about 85 minutes. But yeah, we decided we'd get this one. Fairly simple design, fairly light in the pack. The turning on valve there. The only thing I would have liked was a auto igniter, but this is pretty good. It also says that it's supposed to be windproof, but I haven't tested that yet. But there you go, there's the 230 gram canister. So yeah, we got this stuff, so we had to try it out, see how it worked. This was about a minus 15 degree day, by the way. So yeah, it boiled to about 3 minutes thereabouts. So yeah, it was fast, worked well. Had a stand, we bought that stand for the canister, glad we got that. But yeah, so we decided we'd try out some of this dehydrated camp food that they sell. And it was pretty good. Definitely we were both pretty impressed. Never tried these before, but it was good. This was actually my favorite. I really liked this one. Said it was for 2 people, but I find it pretty good for just me. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty good. Very good to eat. And now we just need spring to come. Hopefully very soon. Thanks for watching, guys.